My name is Sarah Gentry, and I work for Newport Shipbuilding. I currently serve as a general foreman, working on CVN 73, the USS George Washington, currently undergoing a refueling and complex overhaul. My current occupation is a general foreman for shipfitters and welders, of which I've been in for the last 2 years. Overall, I've been at Newport Shipbuilding for 12 years. Based on my experience in high school in the welding program, it was an easy decision for me to go to work for Newport Shipbuilding because the apprentice school, that's actually a part of Newport Shipbuilding, had a recruiter come to my welding class recruiting football players. And he handed out a pamphlet, and it was free college, you get paid an hourly wage, and you get a free degree, and you had a career path right in front of you. Pretty easy startup coming out of high school. In high school, I took a welding course. I actually took Welding 1 my junior year and Welding 2 my senior year. I received an American Welding Society certification in my second year of welding. When I first started working at Newport Shipbuilding, the very first thing you go through as a shipfitter apprentice or a welder apprentice is the welding school. So already having my AWS certification made it a breeze going through all the different tests that you have to go through. They actually have you weld in all the different positions, and as a shipfitter, you only weld with stick, but as a welder, you get to weld with all the different types of metal and material that they have, and get certified internally by the shipyard, which is a separate certification from the AWS. I was involved with the National Technical Honor Society in my welding program in high school at the Monroe Technology Center. Getting involved in the National Technical Honor Society helped me realize that there's more to just high school, and it helps you see that there's other organizations that you can become a part of and also give back to help advance you and your career, and also in general as a civilian in society as well. The CTE course that I was involved with helped prepare me for my career by giving me real-world experience. It gives you an idea of different career paths that you can go through, because not only are you in your program, but you also see the other kids in their programs. But different things like that, working with different tools, I think is the biggest part of the CTE program that helped me. All of that definitely prepares you much better for a career in not just shipbuilding, but any construction you could go.